Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tabitha Marie and I'm so happy you could tune into today's video. If you can tell by the title, we are going to be playing with some yellow, hence this yellow top. So if you're interested in seeing this super duper duper simple, super easy look using only two colors, one from Wet n Wild palette and one from Profusion, then make sure you keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like these type of videos. Make sure you hit that big red button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop your girl some comments below. So let's go ahead and jump right into let's jump into this video. Alright guys, so we're starting with my makeup already done, and I just wanted this video to focus on the eyes. So I'm going to start off with the Wet n Wild palette, and this is their contour and highlight palette, and it's in the shade Caramel Toffee, and I absolutely love the contour shade. As you can see, I've just about hit pan on it. So I'm going to start with that color, and I'm just going to lay that all over my crease. And I was just showing you the three brushes that I use. You can use whatever fluffy brush you have available, and you need one really nice packer brush. The other brush is really just there to blend the two colors together, or if you like a less, fluffier brush, you can use one that's a little bit more dense. It will pick up the product a lot quicker. But I like this big fluffy brush. It's by the brand Essence. I think it was like $2, but it's really good at picking up the product. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into my Profusion palette. I think this palette is called Seianna. So I'm picking up this really nice yellow mustard shade, which is called Serendipity. And the color payoff is super amazing on all the shadows in this palette. This palette is from Target, and it was $10, or you can order it on Profusion website. But I absolutely love it. This is my first time picking up this yellow shade, and I'm highly impressed with the pigmentation of this shadow. Now it is just a tiny bit chalky. There is a little bit of kickback on the palette, but if you don't mind a little kickback and building up the product, I think you guys will really enjoy this. And like I said, it was only $10. Like, come through, feeling it. So I'm just taking that flat packer brush and just picking up as much product as I can and packing it onto my eyelids. And I mean, the product is good. Like, I really didn't have to do that much work, so I like that about it. I know I'm rambling, guys, bear with me. This video is just about over, so I'm just kind of blending in those edges, making sure it's a cut crease, but not a cut crease, like a messy cut crease. But if you wanted to do a cut crease, you could lay down your concealer or whatever you're going to use to cut the crease, so you'll have an outline of how you want it to look. I'm just freehanding it here. So I'm taking that same contour shade out of the Wet n Wild palette and putting it underneath my eyes to just kind of connect the look and make it look, cohesive. Now I'm going to pick up this highlighting shade, and it's called Tickled. I'm going to place that in the inner tear duct and on my brow bone. Alright, so we're just getting that on the brow bones, and next I am going to do the highlight. I've been loving this liquid highlighter. It's super cheap. It's by Wet n Wild, and I mean cheap as in price. I don't mean the quality of it. The quality is amazing. If you like the iconic the iconic highlighter drops, you will like this Wet n Wild. I feel like this is a great dupe for it. It's a very highlighted, pigmented. It shows up. It doesn't have a lot of shimmer into it, but this is one of the deepest colors available. There are two other shades, but I like this because it has like a bronzy look to you. It's not punching you in the face. But let's jump into these lashes, honey. The lashes are by Kiss IND Lashes, and there are the 3D Faux Mink collection, I think. But anyway, this is the style number 15, and had a little trouble there, but she's back at it. This is style number 15. They're super fluffy. The band is so easy to put on, even though I'm struggling a little bit here, but I promise you this band is easy to put on, and look how they amp up this look. Jumping into some mascara. This is the Sephora mascara. I don't really know the name of it, but it will be in the description box below. Gonna coat those bottom lashes, emphasize them a little bit more. Now, one thing I did forget was to put like a white or a cream color eyeliner in my lower lash line, so you can do that. It's optional. I like the look with or without, but for my lips, I am using my Black Radiance lipstick in the shade Goddess. I'm gonna top that off with my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in London and Abu Dhabi. That combination has been my everything. Like, yes girl, she is slaying. This look came out so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share with your best friends. I love you guys, and I will definitely be seeing you in my next video. Bye.